Most people get this wrong when it comes to building credit with apps like Dave. They assume any credit feature automatically boosts their score fast. But here's the truth no one tells you. It depends entirely on how the reporting system is set up and how you use it. In this video, you will learn whether the Dave Credit Builder in 2026 actually helps your credit score, how it works behind the scenes, and what you must do to see real results. Let's start with the basics. The Credit Builder feature in Dave is designed to help users build financial history by tracking spending, advances, and repayment behavior. But it does not work like a traditional credit card in every case. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all activity inside the app automatically gets reported to credit bureaus. Some features are for internal scoring only, which means you might be improving your standing with Dave, but not directly impacting your official credit score. So if you are expecting instant credit score jumps, that is where most people get disappointed. But here's the real mechanism you need to understand. If your activity is reported, the biggest factor is repayment behavior. On-time repayments matter far more than how much you borrow. Even small, consistent positive activity can slowly build your profile over time. Now, let's break down how to actually get the most credit benefit. First, consistency is key. Use the app regularly, instead of only in emergencies. Lenders and scoring systems like to see predictable behavior. Second, avoid maxing out your available advance. High utilization can signal financial stress, even if you repay on time. Third, always repay early when possible. Early repayment creates stronger positive signals than just paying on the due date. But here's the problem most users ignore. Credit building is slow. Even if everything is working correctly, you will not see major changes in a few days, or even a couple of weeks. It usually takes months of consistent activity. Now let's talk about a common misconception. Many users think the credit builder alone will fix a low credit score. In reality, it is only one small part of your overall credit profile. Traditional credit accounts still matter more. In a minute, here's the simple way to check if your activity is actually being reported. You need to monitor your credit report using a free credit tracking tool. If you see new trade lines or payment activity linked to Dave or similar services, then reporting is active. If not, then your usage is only helping internally. So what is the final answer? Yes, Dave's Credit Builder can help your score, but only if reporting is active, and only if you use it consistently and responsibly. It is not a fast fix, but a gradual tool. Think of it like training your financial reputation step by step, not a shortcut. So to wrap it up, it works, but slowly. It requires discipline, not just activation. If this helped you understand how credit building really works in 2026, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more clear financial breakdowns without confusion.